following problem, the first thing that we need to do is to identify the given. First is we have 680 pesos as the list price and a trade discount of 25% as our trade discount rate. After identifying the given, the next thing that you need to do is to identify what is being asked. And what is the question in the problem? How much will be the net price? So we're looking for the net price. But in order for us to solve for the net price, we need the trade discount. In this case, the net price and the trade discount in this problem is not given. So we need to solve first for the trade discount before we can solve for the net price. Now that we already have our given, we can now solve for the trade discount. Again, we have our list price 680 pesos and a trade discount of 25%. We need to convert 25% into its decimal form. So when you convert 25%, it becomes 0.25. So again, the formula for solving the trade discount is we need to multiply the list price and the trade discount rate in order to get the product, which is the trade discount. So 680 pesos multiplied by 0.25, the product would be 170 pesos. Now that we already have our trade discount, we can now solve for the net price. Again, net price is being asked. We have a list price of 680 pesos and a trade discount of 170 pesos. So how do we solve for the net price? The net price is equivalent to the difference of the list price and the trade discount. List price minus trade discount is equivalent to the net price. List price is 680 minus 170 pesos, which is our trade discount, and we'll get a difference of 510 pesos. Hence, 510 pesos is our net price. So again, in order to solve this problem, we need to identify the given and identify what is being asked. In this problem, we need to find the trade discount and the trade discount rate. First is we need to look for the trade discount in order for us to solve the trade discount rate. The trade discount is missing, but we have the list price, which is 1,250, and net price, which is 937.50. Now that we have our given, we can now solve for the trade discount. Again, our list price is 1,250 and net price of 937.50. Trade discount is equivalent to the difference of the list price and the net price. List price minus net price, 1,250 minus 937.50, and we'll get a trade discount of 312.50. Since we already have our trade discount, we can already solve for the trade discount rate. Again, we need to identify the given. The trade discount rate is being asked. We have a given of a trade discount, which is 312.50, and the list price of 1,250. Now is the time for us to solve for the trade discount rate. Using the given, trade discount rate is equivalent to trade discount over the list price multiplied by 100%. So we need to divide the trade discount by the list price and multiply it by 100%. So we have the trade discount of 312.50 divided by 1,250 multiplied by 100%, and we'll get a trade discount of 20, a trade discount rate of 25%. Now that you already know how to solve for the trade discount, we're going to dig a little deeper. We're going to study successive trade discounts. So how do we solve for the net price when we encounter successive trade discounts? NP for case successive discount rates. K stands for the number of trade discount rates in a given problem. So net price is equivalent to the product of the list price multiplied by the products of 1 minus the trade discount rates in a given problem. As usual, we need to identify the given and what is being asked in the problem. In this case, we need to look for the net price. The given, we have the list price of 3,400 pesos, a trade discount rate of 20%, and another trade discount rate of 10%. After identifying the given and what is being asked, we can now solve for the net price. So again, the net price is equivalent to the product of the list price multiplied by the difference of 1 minus the trade discount rates in a given problem. So net price is equal to 3,400 multiplied by 1 minus 0.20 multiplied by 1 minus 0.10. So 3,400 multiplied by 0.80 multiplied by 0.90, and we're going to have a net price of 2,448. After solving for the net price, we can now solve for the trade discount. Trade discount is equivalent to the difference of the list price and the net price. We have a list price of 3,400 and a net price of 2,448. So trade discount is 3,400 minus 2,448, and we'll have 952 pesos as our trade discount. So as stated in the problem, we need to look for the single equivalent trade discount rate, or the STDR, net price, and the trade discount. First is we're going to solve for the single equivalent trade discount rate by using the following given. The list price of 845 pesos, a trade discount rate of 20%, another trade discount rate of 10%, and another trade discount rate, which is 5%. So in order for us to solve for the single equivalent trade discount rate, or the STDR, we need to use this formula. SETDR is equal to, open and close parenthesis, 1 minus the product of 1 minus the trade discount rates multiplied by 100%. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus the product of 1 minus 0.20 multiplied by 1 minus 0.10 multiplied by 1 minus 0.05 is equivalent to 1 minus 0.080 multiplied by 0.90 times 0.95 times 100%. 1 minus 0.684 multiplied by 100%, and we'll have a single equivalent trade discount rate of 31.6%. Now that we already have our single equivalent trade discount rate, we can now solve for the net price, because net price is equivalent to the product of the list price and 1 minus SETDR. So we have a list price of 845 and a single equivalent trade discount rate of 0.316. So 31.6, when you convert it into its decimal form, it becomes 0.316. So 845 multiplied by 0.684 will have 577.98 as our net. And finally, after solving for the single equivalent trade discount rate and for the net price, we can now solve for the trade discount. Trade discount is equal to the difference of the list price and the net price. List price is 845 and a net price of 577.98. When you subtract the two, we'll have 267.02 as our trade discount.